going on, people? Thank you for tuning in. You have reached Kulu Socks, and I'm doing a review on my scissor boom stand, AOKEO. The brand is AOKEO, AOKEO. Sounds like AOKEO to me. So let's get into it. So I got the boom stand, just came in the mail. I actually purchased it on Black Friday. Heck of a deal. It said it was regularly $99, but I got it for like $21, so I bought two of them. And as you can see here, I have like a scissor boom. I don't know if they call scissor stands, boom stands. We're gonna call it boom today, okay? So as you can see here, I have a boom stand. $7, $10 I think I paid for this, but I've been having it for about a year. So it's been serving me right. So I'm not gonna talk bad about it. I've been treating it with baby hands. Look at these hands, soft. I've been treating it with baby hands and it's been serving me right. But as I move it, I gotta hold it here to make sure it doesn't fail me because it's kind of loose at the bottom. I can move it up, down, around. It's small stand. This one supposedly is the 28-inch. Take that back, like 18, this way 18. I'll let y'all know later exactly the measurements of it because I'm about to open it here soon. But I wanted to get something nice, a nice stand because I move around. I'm here, I'm there. Bruh. I'm everywhere. And I have a couple little stands that doesn't move, but like I said, I walk around during my podcast. I have a podcast at Shoot the Stuff right here. Follow it. Anyway, I move around and I wanted something that I can kind of be a little bit more aggressive with. You understand? So I got these. They kind of look like the Rogue, if you familiar with the Rogue scissor hand. But the Rogue is like $150, $100, something like that. You can get about 100 on Amazon. And then the other ones is more than that. So anyway, I bought two of them. Let's get into it. It came in this gigantor of a box. Did it really need to be this big? Bruh. Anyway, I got two big boxes like this. Here's the actual product. It's the AOKEO microphone stand. Look at that. What do they say? Flexible, stable, and metallic. I guess it's metallic. Put it back here so you can see it. Let's get into it. I'm gonna open it up, try to put it together. We'll go from there. So first off, let me start off by saying it looks like it's put together very well. It's packaged nice. Look, came in this box, all foamed up. Look like it's already put together. All you gotta do is put the foot on, right here. Look, the foot on here. And that's about it. It's already loaded. I'm gonna cut the zip tie off. It says it's spring loaded. My thing on this whole thing is how strong are the springs. Like I said, I think my heaviest microphone is 2.9 pounds, 3 pounds. And I wanna see how it operates holding it up. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. Check it out. Look how big it is. Bruh. Not even gonna comment on the comment I just made. But anyway, look at it, man. It's massive. I mean, I got the old one compared to it. And the old one's about 15 inches, 15 by 15. This one, I just measured it. I think it's 22 from tip to tip, 22 by 22. I can pretty much move it anywhere. I can move it all the way across my bar if I really want to. And this is where I do my podcast at. And the reason why I wanted something more sturdy and a little longer, because I'm everywhere. I'm here. I sit down, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Move it up here. I'm here. Move it back here. I'm here. And it pretty much goes where I need it to go. You see what I'm saying? Love it. I got two of them. It's 30. Like I said, I want one that was a little bit more mass and a little longer. So it checks off all those boxes. And it was $21.99, I believe, on Black Friday. So I bought two of them. I just checked, like I was saying earlier, and it's $29.99. So they said it's usually our retail is $99. Take that with a grain of salt. But they sent it for $21.99. And it looks just as good as, like I said, a Rogue. It looks just like a Rogue. My friend has one. I mean, it's right on, And, it came with the little things, like the little straps, the little straps has the name on it. It has the name here somewhere as well, right on the bar. It come with 3 straps, one here, and another one. And like I said, I mean, it pretty much goes where I wanted to go with this 3-pound mic. You know. If you're asking me, would you buy it? Heck yeah, I buy it. It's a steal for $20-something. If you can get a stand like this for $20-something, you're in the money. Like I said, I paid $10 for this. Had it for a year. It worked, but I had to baby it. This right here, I feel like I'm gonna be able to, and I probably won't. But you know, if I'm into a conversation, I'm going back and forth with somebody like I usually do. Check out my podcast, Shoot the Stuff. I can pretty much do what I want. You know, I'm always up. I'm never sitting still. I'm always either sitting down. I start off sitting down, you know, and blah, 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 blah. And I get up, I'm here, and I can move it with me. And this is pretty much doing exactly what I wanted to do. One thing I was skeptical on, when it comes to boom arms like this, our jack stands like this, that doesn't have the tighteners right here on the hinges, I'm always skeptical, is that how you say it? About getting them, because you can't tighten them up. See, on this one, I can tighten them up. If I move it here, I can tighten it up and it's gonna stay where I want it to be. You see what I'm saying? So if the springs go bad later on, I know I still got that to tighten them up. These right here, you pretty much gotta do what the springs wanna do, you see? And that's not really a spring, it's something else. I don't know exactly what it is. I'll recommend it, all right? Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get off of here. Thank you for watching. Y'all be good.